guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So let's get started with today's video. Actually, this is kind of a mixed request video. And I asked in the video what kind of video or any request you want, let me know in the comment section below. So I had got two comments where one was they asked me to do only liquids for 24 hours and another was like eating only healthy food. So I thought I'm going to let me mix both of it and do. So here I am. I'm going to be drinking only healthy drinks for 24 hours and it's only liquids for 24 hours and it's supposed to be healthy. So this is one of those requested videos. So please make sure you watch the video because this is what you had asked and I'm doing. So yeah. So I just got up. I think it's too evident. So first thing first, as I'm doing healthy drinks, I thought let me start it with green tea. So first thing, I'm gonna be drinking green tea now. Okay, so until this gets settled, so I just wanted to say, so even I'm not a person who likes green tea a lot. Like the pure green tea is too, it has a very bad taste. So I got this Organic India's Tulsi green tea, lemon, ginger, which has everything in it and everything is good. And this doesn't taste so bad. This is not a sponsored video, okay? This tastes very nice. It's not horrible as the actual green tea. And also this is very good for health. So yeah, just in case you want to start drinking green tea but you're just giving up on it because it tastes horrible, then I think you can try this. They also have so many flavors in them. Like they have pomegranate, they have just tulsi and green tea. There are many options, so you can go and check them out. Cheers. Let's get started. I'm actually very excited because I'm a person who gets hungry very easily. So let's see. Whenever it's too cold or when I feel I'm not well, I generally drink this because of the ginger and all. It makes your throat feel so like hype. So just in case you want to try it, I think you can try it. Okay, green tea done. So next, let me think what do we drink next. Not even eat, drink next. So yeah. Hey guys, it's been like 2 hours since I drank green tea. I know it's a lot of gap. I actually thought I'll drink something, after like 1 hour because I know for sure I would be hungry. But I was actually, guys, I got monetized. I got that mail. I got approved. So I was like fully happy and I was above clouds. And thanks to every one of you who have always been supporting and who will be supporting, who are supporting. So thank you so much. So I was like fully busy in that. I was fully excited. I think because of happiness I didn't feel hungry. It's been 2 hours since I drank green tea. Now it's time to make another drink because I'm hungry. So yeah, we'll go make some healthy drink. Probably it's not going to be a smoothie because it's already like 12:30. So I've planned to make a little like healthy smoothie for lunch. So it's not going to be a smoothie now. It's going to be a like light drink. So let's go. Look at this. It looks so nice, no? I don't know if you have watched my green challenge video where I ate only green colored food for like 24 hours. If you have not watched the video, I would have put the link over here somewhere in the card and I would put the link in the description box below. Do go check that out. So I wish I knew this and I drank that day. Looks so green, no? It looks very delicious, but let's see if it's really delicious. It's yum. I didn't think it will be so good. Also smells so great. It's because of mint, I guess. You can also add little of pepper if you want, but I didn't add because I didn't want. But this is yum. In case you are liking the drinks I do and I'm drinking, all the smoothies which I am making and drinking, and if you want to know how to do it, anything, just comment down below and let me know. Then I will make a video on that. I'm so proud of me. I didn't think it will be so good. I've never tried making this or never tried drinking it. It's yum. This is very good drinks for this really helps in detoxification because it has mint, cucumber, honey and all of it. Very good for your health. I think at least from this challenge I will take few good things and probably adapt it in my life. At least drinking this in empty stomachs or drinking it daily, it will be very good for you. Done. This is yum. It's actually a very refreshing drink. I think if you drink it every day morning, your day is going to be very good. It's a very refreshing drink. I don't know what to call this, breakfast or whatever. This morning dose is done. It's actually not even morning. It's afternoon, 12:30. I got a plate. I started late. Then I got excited in between. So a little delayed, but whatever. Now it's done. So I will meet you when I'm having my lunch. So it's time for lunch. It's 2 o'clock right now. So I've decided to make a smoothie bowl. So that I'm planning to make banana smoothie so that it lasts long in my stomach and I don't feel hungry a lot again. Actually, I'm not that hungry. I don't know why. Because I am always hungry. So this is kind of weird. I'm feeling it weird. It's like I'm hungry but not that hungry, like that. So let's go make banana smoothie. Okay, banana smoothie is ready. It's very thick. I mean, not very thick, but it's thick. But it's still liquid. I have not tasted it yet. I hope it's good. It's yum. In temples and all, they'll give panchamrita. It's like that taste. It's nice. I'm happy that, though it is liquids, it's healthy liquids and I'm making it tasty and proud of myself. I'm done. I made it for a good amount of more quantity so that I don't feel hungry again. I mean, at least for another 1 hour. I mean, it just filled my stomach. During breakfast time, just having liquids, I didn't really feel like, oh my god, types, because in general, I'm not a breakfast person, but lunch I generally eat solids, and I don't know, I just feel it a little weird that I'm not eating solids now, but at least I got to drink something yummy, so that is at least okay, but still I just feel it weird that I'm not eating anything solid because it's like lunchtime. Hey guys, now it's evening. It's like 5 o'clock now, and I'm actually heading out to play badminton, so I thought I'll make very small snacks. So I'm gonna be making green apple juice so that I don't feel hungry while I'm playing, or I don't get tired because I'm hungry. Also, I'm fully ready. I took shower and I look squishy clean. So let's go make green apple juice. Cheers. I have not tasted it yet, so I have no idea how it's gonna taste. I think it needs a little more honey and salt. So I'll just add it a little. Now it's good. Also, if you're thinking like, how eating anything, it's been 3 hours. I'm drinking a lots of water in between, and I think that's one of the reason why I'm not feeling that hungry, because it's kind of balancing my appetite and all of it. But literally, I'm really not eating anything. It's actually very nice. I didn't know so many days. I didn't. This is the first time I'm making green apple juice, and most of the things which I'm drinking today, it's the first time I'm making and drinking, and it's actually nice. Done. So once I'm back, we will think about the dinner. Hey guys, I just came back home after playing badminton. I know I might not look very exhausted or very tired because I could not play much because we started playing and I don't know, muscle catch, and I couldn't play. I'm sad of that. So for dinner, I've thought to make papaya and carrot smoothie, and I've never ever tried that combination ever. So today's like the first time I'm going to be trying that, and I really hope it turns out good. By now, I think you would have kind of at least got to know, or at least you would have thought like, why only fruits and not vegetables? Because I don't know, I just prefer fruits more than vegetables. I don't know. From morning, I've just taken like 2 vegetables. That's cucumber and carrot now, which I'm gonna do. So I'm a big fruit person, and anytime you give me fruits, I can have, and it's not like not this particular fruit, any fruits. I just love fruits, but I don't know, I just don't feel like eating vegetables. So I'm gonna be making a papaya carrot smoothie bowl for dinner, so that it's gonna be heavy, because generally for me, stomach should be a little full when I'm sleeping, otherwise I won't get sleep and I'll feel hungry and all of it. Let's go make dinner. So my papaya carrot smoothie is done. The color looks very beautiful, like orange. Looking very beautiful, but I've not tasted it yet. Let's just hope it's tasty. And even this is like very thick consistency, like the morning. No, for lunch which I did, banana smoothie, that consistency. This is like, for babies and all, they'll feed that consistency this is. Let's taste it. Not bad. I was thinking, oh my god, I've never tried this combination. That was like fruit and vegetable. I thought it's gonna be bad, but hopefully it's not that bad. But I just feel papaya is a little bitter because I think it was not ripe yet. I don't know. Fine, it's not that horrible as I thought it would be, but it's consumable. Afternoon which I made banana smoothie, this is more filling than that. This should also be added to the things you have to eat for good skin. But I also think, your outlook also depends on what you intake. It's also very important on what you take to look. I think from morning I'm drinking all healthy and my body is dancing out of joy inside, like all my inside parts. I think they're dancing out of joy, and I'm not a person who has so much of energy like from morning till night. I'm more of a night person, so this energy at night is fine, but from morning I'm not a person who has so much of energy inside me. But I think it's probably because of healthy drinks I'm having from morning. I think from now on I have to get up, drink any drink, any very healthy drink, so that I have so much of energy in the entire day. Otherwise I would be so lethargic. I'm like okay types. But today I don't know, I just feel I have more energy. Healthy vibes. When we see other people telling, no, drink healthy, it's very good, and we are like, okay, one life, we'll eat whatever we want, but actually, it has so much of good. What I realized today was, it has given me so much of energy, like from morning. I just feel good from inside. I know it's too much of gyan, but that's like the feeling or truth what I'm having now. Done. Finally, we are done with today's challenge. Oh my god, I think, from morning I'm having only liquids and I'm being so conscious. Okay, no eating, okay, only liquid step. I'm just craving to eat so many things right now. Bisi bele baat, dosa, Taco Bell, sandwich, Maggi, idli, puliyogre. I think it's because of, being conscious, only liquids. And I'm drinking only from morning, only liquids. I am having so much of cravings right now. I just want to eat solids. They say when you don't have something, only then you will realize the importance. I think I know the importance of solids. Never in my life I've consumed so much of healthy things in one day. Finally, we came to the end of this challenge. I just feel good from inside and I feel so fresh. I've consumed only healthy things, fruits and vegetables. I feel so fresh and good from inside. But don't forget to drink lots of water. And as I already said, what you take is what you look. So yeah, I had fun doing this challenge, and thank you for your suggestions. Thank you so much for commenting down your suggestion. I really hope you enjoyed, because I really enjoy doing this. Also comment down below and suggest or anything, any requests of what videos you want me to do, that you want to watch. I will make sure I do it. And if you want to know any of the recipes of any smoothies or juices which I did today, then also comment that down below. I will make sure I do a separate video on that. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, give a big fat thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, because more exciting and more happy fun stuffs are going to be up, and you can get notified each time I upload a new video, and it really means a lot to me. Okay, I will meet you all in my next video. Until then, bye.